From automotive plants in Asia to construction workshops in the Americas, our laser cutting machines are leaving an indelible mark on global manufacturing. Designed to pierce through material limitations with unmatched precision, these systems have become the go-to solution for industries demanding excellence, whether crafting intricate components for German automobiles, slicing ultra-thin sheets for Southeast Asian electronics, or shaping thick metals for North American infrastructure. More than 30 nations have embraced this relentless beam of light. While competitors struggle with delivery delays, industrial leaders leverage our direct global supply chain to transform every laser pulse into a market advantage. This isn't just a cutting tool. It's the engine powering efficiency across international production lines, lighting up the path to industrial innovation worldwide.